Ask me anything. Depending on the size of the client, let's say there is a leadership development program where I'm teaching core consulting skills, which are exactly the skills that Marchev described at the top of the program: how to be adaptable, how to solve problems, how to acquire new skills and all that, how to get into any situation, figure out what is important, problem solve, communicate, engage stakeholders and all that. Depending on how many people need to be engaged, I often would have a train-the-trainer program, which is one component, so that even after I leave, they continue to train as new people on board and they coach their people. I have the main trainings that are rolled out. So let's say I had a client where I did a cohort with their North American people, a cohort with their Asian people in India, and a cohort with their European people in Poland. And then, in addition to that, I normally have an executive version of the training with the senior levels that are 1 or 2 levels higher than the actual training cohort, because those are the people who are supposed to apprentice and help support the growth of the people below them. I end up instructing and training everyone at a participant level, maybe 1 in 8 as a train-the-trainer, and then all the senior executives.